Today is day 4 and I'm tackling the engine and transmission. Yesterday I chose functionality over aesthetics and said to get the car running before I start pimping the ride. After cleaning and servicing on day 2, I checked for broken sensors and switches and luck was on my side. Only the air pump connector was broken and it got replaced for 5,000 naira. But things took a turn when I discovered all the mounts in the engine room were broken. These mounts are crucial to the car's health as they help absorb vibrations and keep everything in place. If they fail, it can lead to damage to the entire car. With the heavy engine shifting under the hood, it can knock into other vehicles' components and damage them. Naturally, this also causes unreasonable wear and tear on the engine and transmission. The mounts require replacement like once in 7 years, so I went shopping for a new engine mount. The guys close to the workshop wanted to charge me 65,000 naira for 3 used mounts, but I knew I needed brand new ones. They will try to convince you that the used mount is better than the brand new ones. Don't fall for this. I drove to another part of town and found all what I needed for 32,000 naira. I went with the old ones to make sure I was getting the exact part. Although I had to transfer the engine holder from the old one, today was a good day. Stay tuned for more updates on my car review journey and have a happy new year.